friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the 2020-21 NTSC exam question paper, physics questions and answers. Before going to see the video, please subscribe our channel. And end of this session, we are providing key answer for you. Let us start. Question number 1. Luggage porters place a round piece of cloth on their head when they have to carry heavy loads. By doing this, the area of contact between the load and head, option A, decreases and reduces the pressure. Option B, increases and reduces the pressure. Option C, decreases and increases the pressure. Option D, increases as well as increases pressure. Correct answer is option B, increases and reduces the pressure. Question number 2. A boy covers a distance of 260 meter in 20 seconds and another distance of 300 meter in 20 seconds. The average speed of the boy is option A, 14 meters per second, option B, 28 meters per second, option C, 42 meters per second, option D, 56 meters per second. Correct answer is option A, 14 meters per second. Question number 3. In the following, the phenomenon which were successfully explained by the law of gravitation are: option A, motion of moon around the earth, option B, formation of tides, option C, motion of an aeroplane, option D, force that binds us to the earth, option E, rotation of blades in a ceiling fan. Option A, B, C, D is correct. Option B, D, E, A is correct. Option C, C, D, E is correct. Option D, A, B, D is correct. Correct answer is option D, that is A, B, D is correct. That is motion of moon around the earth, formation of tides. Option D, force that binds us to the earth. Question number 4. The image of formation in a convex lens is shown in the following figure. AB is the object and A dash B dash is the image. The focal length of the lens is option A, 40 cm, option B, 10 cm, option C, 20 cm, option D, 0.5 cm. Correct answer is option B, 10 cm. Question number 5. The image formation in human eye is shown in the given diagram. The lens used to correct this type of eye defect is option A, plano concave lens, option B, concave lens, option C, cylindrical lens, option D, convex lens. Correct answer is option D, convex lens. Question number 6. The lenses of power plus 3.5D, plus 2.5D and plus 1D are placed in contact with each other in an optical device. The effective power of combination of these lenses is option A, 5D, option B, 6D, option C, 7D, option D, 8D. The correct answer is option C, that is 7D. Question number 7. A force acting on a 20 kg mass changes its velocity from 6 meters per second to 3 meters per second. The work done by the force is option A, plus 510 joule, option B, 510 joule, option C, 270 joule, option D, plus 270 joule. Correct answer is option C, minus 270 joule. Question number 8. Considering the following statements and choose the correct alternative. Statement 1. Heating capacity of biogas is more than that of biomass. Statement 2. Biogas produces lesser pollution as compared to biomass. Option A, first is false, second is true. Option B, one is true, second is false. Option C, both 1 and 2 are false. Option D, both 1 and 2 are true. Correct answer is option D, both 1 and 2 are true. Question number 9. The temperature of the water at the bottom of a water fall is higher than that of the water at the top? Because option A, falling water absorbs heat from the sun. Option B, kinetic energy of falling water is converted into heat. Option C, water at the bottom has greater potential energy. Option D, the rocks on the river bed give out heat. Correct answer is option B. Kinetic energy of falling water is converted into heat. Next question. Question number 10. Consider the following assertion A and the reason R. Select the correct alternative. A. When high voltage power is supplied through a domestic wiring, immediately the running television will burn out. Reason: DP switch is fitted in domestic wiring to cut off the power supply automatically when high voltage is supplied. Option A is true and R is the correct explanation to A. Option B, A is true and R is the wrong explanation to A. Option C, A is false and R is true. Option D, both A and R are false. Correct answer is option B, A is true and R is the wrong explanation to A. Question number 11. A science teacher asked to a student to measure potential difference across the ends of a dry cell. The device needs to be used by the student is option A, AC voltmeter, option B, AC ammeter, option C, DC ammeter, option D, DC voltmeter. Correct answer is option D, DC voltmeter. Question number 12. Among the following, the body possessing highest momentum is option A, mass of 8 kg moving with velocity 6 meters per second. Option B, mass of 4 kg moving with velocity 11 meters per second. Option C, mass of 10 kg moving with velocity 4 meters per second. Option D, mass of 45 kg moving with velocity 1 meters per second. Correct answer is option A, that is mass of 8 kg moving with velocity 6 meters per second. Question number 13. The pole star appears to be stationary when observed from the earth. This is because pole star is option A, not moving, option B, situated in the direction of earth's axis, option C, moves very slowly which is not recognized by our eyes, option D, relative velocity of earth and pole star is 0. Correct answer is option B, situated in the direction of earth's axis. Let us see the key answer for this. Question number 1, B, 2A, 3D, 4B, 5D, 6C, 7C, 8D, 9th B, 10th B, 11D, 12A, 13B. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for this type of video. Please subscribe and share this video to your friends.